to today's quick update. So also welcome to the TradingView community. Obviously we're doing this via TradingView, and we're looking at the daily ETHUSD chart brought to you by TradingView. So what we're looking at the moment is a potential for more downside. So we've seen a few currencies breaking lower today. We did look at BNB before, but it has broken through support. So now I'm wondering if we're going to see the same thing on Ethereum. So we can see that nice level of key resistance here. We can see another level of key resistance here, a lower high. That decline we all saw last week, and it's broken through this point here. Now that point started to become resistance. We can see that on Sunday's bar, and we are seeing selling now. So we're wondering now is if sellers can break through this minor support, which is just seen around here at 1550, and there could be a little bit of kickback down here around 1532. But if we do see another, decent decline, we're wondering if we will see what happens to sellers if they do reach 1484. So that's really what we're watching on a price perspective just at the moment. So cryptos are weak. So we're seeing, as this noted before, we are seeing some selling getting going. It's been a bit of a battle today so far, but Bitcoin 0.56%, Ethereum 0.90%, and some of the other coins like Ava and Sol and ADA, they're all around, at around just over that minus 2% point. So what we're what we're just going to wait and see later into the London session is if we can get a breakthrough there and get a continuation of this new leg, which has started on this bar really here. So that's the support we're going to be looking at just here if reached. And if we do see a kickback, then we'll see what happens if buyers can continue to defend this level around 1550. So price wise, obviously, prices are moving down. We have a bit of a lower high in the CCI. It remains in the negative. It can surely, get back into that real oversold area again. Sometimes when it crosses that line here back into the oversold, there can be a signal that it's going to run down a bit further. We can see, here, and this is an example of it. And there's another little example of it here when we had another move down. And obviously, we can see an example here. So don't ever trade the CCI thinking that just because it's gone into the oversold level that it's just going to magically turn around again. That's not the case. Sometimes they will keep trading deep into oversold and continue to make lower lows. Again, with all indicators, you've got to mix that in with price. And price at the moment, from what we can see, we could see a move lower if we do get one, confirmation from sellers, and that's a break of this area. And it has to be a pretty decent break as well. So we'll see what happens as we go into the London session and into tonight's New York session. So not much key news tonight, but definitely testimony from Fed Chair Powell coming out this week could be a big one, and I would say that's going to be pretty hot and heavy on the inflation and interest rates perspective and what the market's looking for. So that will have a bit of a impact on the dollar, which could also have an impact on cryptos. And Silvergate Bank is another one, so keep an eye on any updates for that one as well. Thanks very much. Good on you. Wish you all the best of your trading. Thanks very much for tuning in, and bye for now.